Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Tuesday, November 22nd. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the DAX. This is a German index here. So we can see right here we are looking to finish with 5 and we have seen this 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So now we are within the final leg with 5, which should be expected to complete soon. Okay, so once that 5 waves is finished, we should be ending a C as well as an X. So this is really important to know all this label here, and that will help you to find out what the structure is in the higher time frame. Okay, so now first thing first, you can see that technically speaking, right, because we have broken above this with 3 already by now, this high here is above this high. Now technically speaking, we could have completed 5 here, right? And so instead of subdividing this into 5 waves, this could have been the case, and if that's the case, then we can start turning down anytime soon. Now so that's one possible short-term variations. It really doesn't change the idea that the 5 waves is going to complete soon and we can start turning lower soon. Okay, now secondly, let's zoom out, try to come up with the higher degree structure. So if we take a look at the daily time frame here, and let me try to copy what we got. This is with 3, which is somewhere here, I believe. This is with 4, and then this 1 and 2 is going to be right here, I think. Let me double check. This high is around 13,442. 13,442, yeah, so this is your 1 and 2. So this is saying that we should be looking to end the 5, and then by ending the 5 we should be ending the C and the X. Now then you need to ask yourself, if there is a C in blue, there needs to be a B and an A, right, in blue. So where is the B and the A? And if there is an X in black, there will need to be a W in black, right? So you can see, even though it is a 5 waves structure, but it is ending a C. So that means this is not really technically a new bullish leg, because it's going to be ending a C, right? And then it will end an X. Again, that is a corrective structure here, right? Now there are a couple of different possibilities. Now first of all, let's look at the daily time frame first. This is the peak in the DAX, which is on November 2021. This is the same peak that you see all across the world indices. Now you can clearly see it has broken above this bearish channel. So what that means then is the cycle is finished. So when this cycle is finished, because indices have been bullish for the past few years, you got two options. Either we will go to new high, first option. Second option is this rally. This rally that we see is just a corrective rally, and therefore after this rally is finished, we can potentially go down again. Now judging by the higher time frame labeling, so this is basically saying that this rally, even though it is a 5 waves, it is still a corrective structure. And you might ask, how come a 5 waves is a corrective structure? Because it's labeled as a C. Now a C can be a C in a zigzag, right, or a C in a flat, right? So flat is also labeled as ABC, and zigzag is also labeled as an ABC. Now in this case, this is not really a zigzag, so this has to be a flat. So first of all, the 5 waves started from here, right? This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that has to be the starting point of the B. And if that's the B, you need to figure out where the A is. So the A should be somewhere here. And then you will end the X. That means the W has to be here. So then that means we are currently calling for some sort of a expanded flat or running flat depending whether the C ends above or below the A here. And then once that is complete, we can start to go down again. Now of course there's a lot of things that needs to happen before that can really play out according to the forecast. But suffice to say, instead of speculating the larger time frame, all we're going to be focusing on in the shorter cycle is simply that this cycle, these 5 waves, is going to finish soon. That's basically what we're going to be focusing on. And then from there, we should be minimum, because it's a 5 waves, we should be minimum getting a 3 pullback. Doesn't matter whether this is bullish or bearish, right? And it's not gonna go to the moon without any pullback, right? So we're gonna get at minimum a 3 pullback once this 5 waves is finished. Now if this really turns out to be a 5 waves, part of wave C of a flat, then that means once this is finished, we can actually start the next bearish cycle that will take us to new low below this September low. That's the idea, right? So shorter cycle again, but that remains to be seen whether that's gonna play out or whether this is a new bullish leg. And then if that's the case, then after there is pullback, we're gonna go to new high again. We're gonna go higher again. Doesn't matter whether it is bearish or it is bullish. The fact of the matter is 5 ways up, 3 ways down minimum, and we should be ending. We're looking for 3 ways up, the 5 ways up to finish soon, and 3 ways pullback to happen anytime now. Okay, so for further updates on the DAX or any other indices, stocks, ETF, Forex, commodities, you can try our service. We have 14 days trial. We also currently run Black Friday promotion, very good limited time promotion, in which you can get 2-month subscription for the price of only 1 month. So all the links can be found in the description of the video, and see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.